end-to-end implementation, supports, and rollouts projects. So guys, today I'm here to talk about what are the benefits you are going to get if you are SAP certified. So here I have already mentioned the point wise. It's like you get a good job, good salary package, increase in reputations, and added advantage in promotions. So how you get a good job? So number one point. So because since you are SAP certified, after a graduation, if you do SAP certifications, so you will have added advantage in it because you will have a good ERP knowledge, and whereas a non-graduate will not have non-ERP knowledge, so that's why there is a higher chances of getting good uh, job good jobs, because it is added advantage for the company also, that is for the benefit of the company also, because if you have already worked or trained on SAP, then it will help you to get good job, and since you have the certifications as well. So number 2 point, where I'm going to discuss about the good salary package. So as I told, right, you have the added advantage is because you are SAP certified, and there are not non-certified graduate also. So obviously there would be a high demand of SAP certified, and there would be increase in the salary package as well, compared to other non-certified consultant and non-certified graduates or consultant. Okay. And number three, so it increase in reputations also. Like if suppose if you go in any organization, and so you are working on SAP consultant, I mean functional consultant, or SAP consultant, and there are some other consultant who are also working as a SAP consultant. So when it comes to certifications, so you can say yourself proudly that I'm SAP certified, right? So that one and other things also, because some of the client have the requirement of uh, 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 means SAP certified consultant. So in the middle of if someone have around 6 years of experience, and you are only 1 or 2 years of experience, and if you are certified SAP consultant, obviously that is gonna increase your reputations. So your reputation would be higher, right? And number three things, so as I already told, like if it will increase your reputations, and there is a higher chances of promotions also, like the example which I have given earlier. There are SAP non-certified consultant who has been working in SAP as a consultant, but you are SAP certified consultant, you have 2 years of experience, and you do work, means everyone will work hard, and everyone will try hard to get the promotions. So if all the consultant are compared, so at last, important thing is if everyone is getting 90%, the 10% will be the added advantage for the people who are SAP certified. So that's all today from my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. So I have also made some videos session wise. Please go through the videos to understand, and each from the from the beginner level to the end level, which I'm still continuing it. So that will help you to get the SAP certifications. Thank you very much. You have a good day, guys. Bye.